Tired of the same old office grind? Let's talk about robots taking over. Picture this. AI robots handling your boring tasks like scheduling meetings, managing emails, and even crunching numbers. These digital assistants are not just a sci-fi dream anymore. They're here, in our offices, making our lives easier. Imagine walking into work, and instead of dreading the mountain of paperwork, you actually get to focus on the fun stuff, creative projects and brainstorming sessions. AI can analyze data faster than you can say spreadsheet. And before you panic, no, they're not here to replace you. Think of them as your new office buddies, taking care of the mundane so you can shine at what you do best. So next time you're buried under emails, just remember, your robotic helper is just around the corner. Welcome to the future of office work. Ready to embrace it? From simple automation to advanced machine learning, AI has come a long way. Today, AI is not just a tool, but a partner in the workplace. It helps in decision-making, enhances productivity, and even predicts future trends. Imagine a world where your AI colleague can suggest the best course of action based on data analysis. The future is now, and it's exciting. AI is not here to replace us, but to work alongside us. By taking over repetitive tasks, AI allows us to focus on what truly matters: innovation and creativity. Think of AI as a team member who never gets tired and is always ready to assist. Together, we can achieve more than we ever thought possible. The integration of AI in offices is just the beginning. As technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated AI systems that can understand and predict our needs. The future of work is not just about humans or machines, but a harmonious blend of both. Are you ready to embrace this new era of collaboration? AI is revolutionizing customer service. From chatbots to virtual assistants, AI is providing faster and more efficient customer support. Imagine getting instant responses to your queries, 24/7. AI is making customer service more accessible and reliable. AI is transforming healthcare. From diagnosing diseases to personalized treatment plans, AI is making healthcare more efficient and effective. Imagine a world where AI can predict health issues before they become serious. The future of healthcare is here, and it's powered by AI. AI is changing the way we learn. From personalized learning plans to virtual tutors, AI is making education more accessible and effective. Imagine a classroom where every student gets the attention they need. AI is making that possible. AI is revolutionizing finance. From fraud detection to investment strategies, AI is making financial services more secure and efficient. Imagine a world where your financial advisor is an AI, providing you with the best advice based on data analysis. AI is transforming manufacturing. From predictive maintenance to quality control, AI is making manufacturing more efficient and reliable. Imagine a factory where machines can predict and prevent breakdowns. AI is making that possible. AI is transforming the retail industry. From personalized shopping experiences to inventory management, AI is making retail more efficient and customer-friendly. Imagine a store where AI can recommend products based on your preferences. The future of retail is here, and it's powered by AI. AI is revolutionizing transportation. From self-driving cars to traffic management systems, AI is making transportation safer and more efficient. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past. AI is making that possible. Self-driving cars are no longer just a concept. They're becoming a reality. These vehicles use AI to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and ensure passenger safety. Autonomous trucks are also transforming the logistics industry, promising faster and more reliable delivery services. AI is also improving public transportation. Smart traffic management systems analyze real-time data to optimize traffic flow, reducing congestion and travel times. In some cities, AI-powered buses and trains adjust their schedules based on passenger demand, making public transit more convenient and efficient. Moreover, AI is enhancing air travel. From optimizing flight paths to improving airport security, AI technologies are making flying safer and more efficient. Airlines are using AI to predict maintenance needs, reducing delays and cancellations. The integration of AI in transportation is not just about convenience, it's also about sustainability. AI-driven electric and hybrid vehicles are reducing carbon emissions, contributing to a cleaner environment. In the near future, we can expect even more advancements. Imagine Hyperloop systems powered by AI offering ultra-fast travel between cities, or drone delivery services making last-mile logistics more efficient. The possibilities are endless, and the future of transportation is bright, thanks to AI. AI is changing the entertainment industry. From content recommendations to virtual reality experiences, AI is making entertainment more personalized and immersive. Imagine a world where AI can create personalized content just for you. Streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify use AI algorithms to analyze your viewing and listening habits, suggesting shows, movies, and music that match your preferences. This means no more endless scrolling through options. AI knows what you like and delivers it right to your screen. In the world of gaming, AI is taking interactivity to the next level. AI-driven characters and environments adapt to your playstyle, creating a unique gaming experience every time you play. Virtual reality, VR, is another area where AI is making waves. AI-powered VR experiences transport you to fantastical worlds, making you feel like you're part of the action. AI is also revolutionizing content creation. AI tools are being used to write scripts, compose music, and even create visual art. Imagine watching a movie or listening to a song that was entirely created by AI. The possibilities are endless, and the results are often indistinguishable from human-created content. Moreover, AI is enhancing live events. From concerts to sports events, AI technologies are being used to create more engaging and interactive experiences. Imagine attending a concert where AI-generated visuals sync perfectly with the music, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The future of entertainment is here, and it's powered by AI. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more personalized and immersive experiences, making our leisure time more enjoyable and tailored to our individual tastes. AI is transforming agriculture. From crop monitoring to automated farming, AI is making agriculture more efficient and sustainable. Imagine a world where AI can predict crop yields and optimize farming practices. Drones equipped with AI technology can survey vast fields, identifying areas that need attention and providing real-time data to farmers. This allows for precise and timely interventions, such as targeted fertilization and pest control, reducing waste and improving crop health. Automated machinery, powered by AI, can perform tasks such as planting, watering, and harvesting with incredible precision. This not only saves time and labor, but also ensures optimal use of resources. AI algorithms can analyze weather patterns, soil conditions, and crop health to provide farmers with actionable insights, helping them make informed decisions that boost productivity and sustainability. In addition to improving efficiency, AI is also playing a crucial role in addressing food security. By predicting crop yields and identifying potential issues before they become critical, AI helps farmers maximize their output and reduce the risk of crop failure. This is particularly important in regions where food scarcity is a pressing concern. Furthermore, AI is enabling the development of new, resilient crop varieties through advanced genetic analysis and breeding techniques. These innovations are helping to create crops that can withstand changing climate conditions and resist diseases, ensuring a stable food supply for the future. The future of agriculture is here, and it's powered by AI. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more advancements that will make farming more efficient, sustainable, and resilient, ensuring that we can feed a growing global population while protecting our planet. AI is revolutionizing security. From surveillance systems to threat detection, AI is making security more effective and reliable. Imagine a world where AI can predict and prevent security threats. Advanced AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, including video feeds, social media, and network traffic, to identify potential threats in real time. This allows for quicker and more accurate responses to security incidents, reducing the risk of harm and loss. AI-powered surveillance systems can monitor public spaces and private properties with unparalleled precision. These systems can detect unusual behavior or unauthorized access, alerting security personnel before a situation escalates. In addition, AI can enhance cybersecurity by identifying and neutralizing cyber threats, such as malware and hacking attempts, before they cause significant damage. Furthermore, AI is being used to develop more secure authentication methods, such as facial recognition and biometric scanning, making it harder for unauthorized individuals to gain access to sensitive information or restricted areas. These advancements are helping to create a safer and more secure world. The future of security is here, and it's powered by AI. As AI continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative solutions that will enhance our ability to protect people, property, and information from a wide range of threats. By leveraging the power of AI, we can build a more secure and resilient society. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it's important to consider the ethical implications. From data privacy to job displacement, there are many challenges to address. Imagine a world where AI is used responsibly and ethically. The future of AI depends on the choices we make today.